Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome of course. In this video, I will show you how to remove Trojan virus from Windows without any software from PC or laptop. So the first thing that we're going to do of course is to go here on the search bar, which is located in this part, and then search for CMD. Now after you search that, just click run as administrator right here. After doing that, this will pop up. So what we are going to do right here is to just type sfc /scan now and then click enter. After that, the process will begin. So the system is going to scan for the files. So while it is verifying, what we're going to do next is to go here on the search bar once again and then search for File Explorer options, which is right here. So just click on that. And then in this part, go here on the view. Now, click on Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. So click on that, click Apply, and then OK. Once you do that, what we are going to do next is to go here on the search bar and then search for Run, and then click on Enter. After that, in this part, we're going to type %temp %. After that, just click on OK. And then in this part, what we are going to do is to click Ctrl+A on your keyboard, and then click the Delete button right here. Once you do that, click this, do this for all current items, and then click try again. And then after that, click this once again, and then click skip. So once you do that, what we are going to do next is to close this window and then open run once again. So click on that and then click open. Now, we're going to just type temp, which is right here, and then click on OK once again. Now, once you are here, we're just going to do the same thing we did earlier. So we're going to click on Ctrl+A and then click on the delete icon, which is right here. And then click this and then click try again. After that, click this again and then click skip and then close this window. After that, go here again on the search bar and the search for run. And then in this part, we're going to type prefetch and then click on OK. After that, we're going to do the same thing that we did. So Ctrl+A and then go here on the delete button and then click that one, of course. And then let's wait for this to finish. And then do the same thing that we did earlier. Once you do that, go back here. What we are going to do next is to go here on the search bar and then search for check for updates. Now, after that, just click on open. And then in this part, what we are going to do is to check if there are any updates available in your laptop or PC. So just click here on the check for updates. And then after that, once it is done, if you have an available option to update, make sure you do that. And then just wait for it to install and then restart your PC. After doing that, what we are going to do here is to go here on the left screen and then click Privacy and Security. Now click Windows Security right here. And then in this part, we're going to go here on the Virus and Threat Protection. So just click on that. And then in this part, we're going to click on Scan Options, which is right here. Now we're going to go here on the Microsoft Defender Antivirus, which is an offline scan. So click on that and then just click Scan Now. So after that, Microsoft will scan your device offline, and then if ever they found the virus, they will automatically remove it from your PC or laptop. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is.